She hails from the district of Peggy Barry in Grange Hill, Westmoreland. I'm sure she's made her community proud. She's made herself proud. First lawyer in her family. Shanique Sommerville sits down with me now to share her journey. Good morning.
Good morning.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How does it feel here, sitting knowing that you've achieved this big goal?
It's an awesome feeling. It still feels surreal. It's overwhelming.
It's a relief too.
It is.
Was it hard?
It extremely
I
hard.
have the words. Tell me that journey. Difficult. Let's start from your younger. Where's your mom? Mom and dad?
Mom and grandmom.
Mom and grandma. Mm-hmm. Your dad is still alive. Your dad is a taxi operator down on that side. Your mom you lost when you were 12.
Yes.
But you say you can feel her pride. You know she would be proud of you for having achieved this. When did you know you wanted to be an attorney?
That's a funny story. I was at Manning's and
Did you just say Manning's? Y'all don't say the Manning School?
I was at the Manning School.
Okay, just checking.
Apologies, Blue Bloods. And I was great at many things. I didn't really have an idea what I wanted to do, and law was pretty pricey. So I kind of had that on the back burner. But my aunt, Lalisa Grant, she was the forerunner for everything. She was like, Shanique, you're brilliant. You know, you need to do law. I see law for you. And even at school, some of my teachers, they encouraged me. And they said, Shanique, don't worry about the money. It will come. And it did. It did come.
How did it come? Because at one point you were on the PATH program.
Yes.
Shanique. So how did the money come for you to do this degree? Because law is like how much million a year now? Okay.
Many.
Elephant man's there. Yes.
My scholarship actually spent over $8 million on me.
Jeez.
It is a scholarship that generated from the Manning School. It's the Josephine Lily Wolf Memorial Scholarship Foundation. Mm-hmm. It's in the honor of Josephine Wolf. She was a third-year student at Manning School, and she lost her life. Tragic event. And her adopted father, Shane Havens, wonderful man. He was inspired by Josephine's life, and he started this foundation. And that's where it all happened. They paid for everything. My tuition, books, housing, everything. So as I said, I sat down, I calculated, they spent over $8 million on me. They took a chance on me, and I'm forever grateful for that.
And so what do you want to say to them this morning?
Well, I always tell Shane, thank you, Shane. I know if it was for you, I would be here. And he's like, Shanique, no, we just made it quicker because you were always going to be here. So I am just grateful for them and the scholarship. It has truly blessed so many persons, and I really want to be a positive impact and, just help others. I'm here because of the goodness of God and the kindness of others, and
Something tells me you're going to pay it seriously forward.
Yes.
Yeah, because you know what it's like to be in need and to get that help that changes your life. Tell me about Lambert Johnson.
Mr. Johnson.
You see how your face like who's that?
He is my mentor. He is the senior counsel that I work with now. And it's a bit of a full circle moment for me. When I was at Manning's, I entered the pageant. I actually won. And the sash I wore, that was in 2017, was Johnson and Company, attorneys at law. And here I am, working there now.
Oh,
he has... And I think it was some years ago, I said, sir, remember I wore your sash? And he said, what? And I said, yes.
Wow. So now you're working with his firm?
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about your studying and your expectations versus now sitting in the role.
Well, you see law and you see it on the TV, How to Get Away with Murder, and it's...
Watching all the wrong shows, girl.
It's a different... It's a different ballpark. It's really different, but I'm up for the challenge. I'm always willing to apply myself. And I know what I want, and I know I have to put in the hard work. So that's what I have to do, and I have no problem doing the hard work.
So this part of it is what? It's a lot of clerking, it's a lot of...
Well, I've been to court. Yes, I did go to court. Sir sent me to court. And he left me there. But it was good. It was good.
What was the case? What
was,
kind of law are you practicing, by the way?
We do family, probate, criminal, land matters, personal injury claims. So it was a family court, so it wasn't so bad. I handled myself, and the judge was good. So it was, fresh starting there. It was good because to go before the judge, I mean, it's a hell of a thing, but it takes time, and I'm patient.
Once you have the confidence, girl, you can get it done. Is there a particular area that you are most interested in?
I'm not really a fan of criminal.
You're not a fan of criminal?
No.
Why?
I just don't like the setting. I'm from an area where, a lot, right.
Yes. So, in the West, we know there are a lot of, copy.
Yes.
Yeah.
But as I say, it's prevalent there, so I really can't escape it. So I'll just have to condition my mind.
To one day take it on.
Yes.
Family, did you enjoy family?
I did.
Did you?
I really did.
Oh, so if there was one area you had to choose to sit in and practice forever, would it be family?
It would be. Yes.
Although you see some things in a family too, Shans, that especially when it comes to land and dead left, as Jamaican people would say.
Right.
You see the real deal. I did know, but I can't some more. You want to tell me a little bit about your mom?
My mom, Shiva Newton. A lot of persons call her Sheba, but I guess it kind of stemmed from my nickname, because my nickname is Queenie, or my pet name is Queenie, and my smaller brother, he's King. And I have a cousin that goes by the name of Princess.
Oh, royalty.
She was an amazing woman. She was very kind. She was very shy. I didn't get that from her. I got the talkative part from my father, Desmond. But she was a wonderful, wonderful lady, and I just know that she would be so proud of me. I remember when I was sitting GSAT, I was about to sit GSAT, and I was nervous. And I have that memory of her. We're on the bed, under the sheet, and she was just, telling me that, it's gonna be okay, Queen, you're a bright girl, so I'm always, thinking about that memory. And I know that she would be extremely proud. Her Queenie, her Pyga, is now an attorney at law. Something that I didn't see coming, but I'm just grateful for where I'm at now. And
I know she's going to motivate you to do even more.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was a person that I live my life for her. She was very young. She died when she was just 26. I'll be 26 this year, so that's a big moment for me. So, she didn't live any life. So I'm just here living for her as well.
And yourself, because she would want you to live for yourself. Glorifying her, but living for yourself. Yes. I'm sorry you lost her, but I know she would be proud. And she can serve now as your motivation for the next 26 and beyond.
Yes.
We are all proud of you, Shanique. Thank you for being here this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Bright, bright, bright things ahead for this young lady, attorney at law, Shanique Sommerville. Still to come, something Shanique should know nothing about right now because she's busy working. Exes and marriage. Girl, just draw breaks and hold on here. There's time for that. Establish your career first. News in 5 is next. Thank you, my love, and all the best.
Thank you for having me.
We'll be right back, everybody.